Next one is the second principle. In the second principle, the water development and the management should be based on the participatory. So, in this participatory approach involves the user, planners, and the policy makers at all the levels. In this, the water is subjected to in which the everyone is a stakeholders. Real participations take place when stakeholders are the part of the decision making process, and the participation which also occurs if democratically elected agencies or the persons can represent the stakeholders group. So if you go for the third principles, the whatever the water has as an economical values in all its competing uses. So and it should be recognized as an economic goods. So within which the principle it is the vital for the recognize the first the basis the right of the all the human beings, and it has to have the access the clean water and sanitation to the affordable prices. So next is the managing the water as an economic good, and it is an important, yeah, it is an important way for achieving the efficient and equitable use and encouraging the conservation and the protection of water resources. So that's about the third principle. So next we see about the fourth principle. In this, the woman play and central part in the vision management and the safeguarding of water. In this, the woman plays a very key role, that is in collection and safeguarding the water for domestic and in some cases like agricultural use, but they have much influence role than a man in the management. So humans, the usage in the household core works, and the woman in the agricultural has the more role than compared to the man in the managing. So the problem analysis and the decision making process related to the water resources. So women views, women views and interest and needs shapes the development agenda as much as men. So that is the development agenda which supports progress towards the more or equal relation between the men and women. So in this water resources management, so that is only focused on the principles and the basics and the aims to avoiding the fragmented approaches. So that is the principle of the water resources management. Only consider the some of the aspects. So it considers the environmental institutions, management instruments, and political, economical, and the capacity to development and adequate investment, financial stabilities, sustainability, cost recovery, monetary evolutions. So in all this are the in all these principles, the WRM is works on the Dublin principles. So that's about the detail about integrated water resources systems on the all the four principles. So that's about the Dublin principles.